Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 2 and that we'll see exercise 4.2. So which of the following is a perfect cube of a number? So these are the options given. So here what you can see, directly by looking at the number, you cannot say what it is, so you will just factorize it. So this, you have to look at the unit place digit. So here, this is not possible with 2. It's not possible with 3 also. So here directly it will be 17 times 17. So that is going to be 289. But then 17 times 17, so these are the two numbers. So this is the s square and not the cube of it. There should have been 17 into 17 into 17, then it could have been a cube. So here possibility is just 729. I'll show you how. Now see here, we have to see whether this is possible with 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. Again 3 8s are 3 1s are 3, 2s are 3 9s are 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So because it is a cube, we have to make groups of 3. So you can see this 3, this is one group and this is the other group. So this is going to be just 3 here and here 3. So this will be 3 into 3, that is going to be 9. So 9 into 9 into 9, that is going to be 729. So that is a perfect cube. So this is the right option. Now here, these are the numbers given, that is said, that is x cube, and you have to find x. So how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we'll do, we will take the middle term. So which one is that? So this is, here are 3, and the middle one is 49. So we have for this one as sum of n consecutive, because here there are 7 terms. So they are the odd numbers. So we can say sum of n consecutive odd terms, that is n into middle term. So how many terms do we have? That is the n means the number of terms this will be, that is 7, into middle term is 49. So that is going to be 343, and this 343 is x cube. So what we can say, x will be cube root of 343. So again 342, if you don't know directly, so what will you do? You will take the factors of it. So this is going to be just it. This is possible with 7, no other number. So here will be 7 4s are 28 and 7 9s are 63. So this will be, these are 3 times, so that we can say x is cube root of 343 is 7. So x is 7. The unit digit of cube root of 3913. So now you can see this is the unit digit. So cube root of this one, so what will be that? 3 into 3 into 3. So this will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 means the unit digit is going to be 7. 12 is the cube root of 178. Cube root of 1728 is 12, because 12 into 12 into 12, that is going to be 1728. Find the cube root of following by prime factorization. So these are the bigger numbers. So we have to always, whenever you are seen in prime factorization, that always you have to start with the lower number. This is not, so you look at the unit place, this is not possible with 2. So go with 3. So 3 times this. So this will be 3 times, this will be 3 times. So now this number doesn't go with 3, so it goes only with 11. So 11 times 121 is 1331. Again 11 times 11 is 121. So what we can see, these are the factors. So we can say, and this is minus over here, so we will keep minus here. And these are the, you can see group of 3. So we can write here, this will be 3 and this will be 11. So that is going to be 11 into 3, that will be 33. So minus 33. Again, these are the factors of it. You can check. So now we are going to make a group of 3. So this will be 2. This is going to be 3. Whenever we make group, we are just going to write that number only once. So now we are going to multiply this. So that is going to be 18. So we can say, and this is minus over here, minus cube root of this 5832, that is minus 18. Now these are the factors of 2744. So we'll make groups 3. This is going to be, this is going to be 2, and this will be 7. So 7 times 2 is going to be 14. Here again these are the factors. So 3 7s are 21. Again these are the factors of it. So that will be 2 11s are, that will be 22. Again these are the factors of 21952. So let us form the groups 3 each. So this will be 2, 2 and 7. So this is going to be 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. Again for this one, so this is going to be 2, 3 and 7. So this will be 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Again for this one, 5 and 7. So 5 7s are 35. These are the factors of it. 5 and 11. So that is going to be 55. Now here they said find the cube root of following rational numbers. So this is 1331 and 1728. So 1331, again you can, if you don't know, you can just check with this factorization method. So you take the factors of 1331. So that is going to be 11 into 11 into 11. So we want a cube root of it. So cube root of 1331, that is going to be 11. Now for 1728 also, that you can take the factors of it. I already done it before. So that will be 12 into 12 into 12. So that will be 3 cube root of 1728, that is going to be 12. So now what will you write? Cube root of this will be 1331 divided by 1728, that is going to be 11 by 12. Again same here, 343, you will take the factors of it, that is going to be 7 into 7 into 7. So cube root of 343, that is going to be 7. So 3375. So that will be minus 7 by 15. So this is going to be 4096. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you will go backwards 6 numbers here. So that will be 4096 will be 16 into 16 into 16. That will be cube root of 4096, that is 16, and cube root of that is going to be 100. That will be 16 by 100. So this is going to be 0.16. Again for this one, you will write here 9261 divided by, that will be 1000. So this is going to be 21 into 21 and 21. That will be 21 cube root of this. And this will be, for 1000, it's going to be 10. So this is minus. So that will be 21 by 10. So that will be minus 2.1. Now we'll see how to solve this problem. Find the cube root of the following. That is 216 into 343. So you have to find a cube root. Now we can also do it separately or we can do it together. So now for this one, I've done this separately. Cube root of 216 multiplied by cube root of 343. So cube root of 216, again you can take the factors of it. So that is 6 into 6 into 6. So that will be cube root, means that is going to be just, you have to take 6. So here for 343, that will be 7 into 7 into 7. So that will be multiplied by 7. So this will be 42. So here 144 into 96. So cube root of 144 into cube root of 96. So you will take cube root of this together. That will be 144 into 96. So 144 you can write as 12 into 12. And this will be 96 will be 12 into 8. So that will be, now you can see these are 3 times. So that will be cube root of, this will be 12 into 12 into 12, means that is just, you can write it one time. And for this one you can write as cube root of 8. So that is going to be 2. Hope this is clear. For cube root of this, 12 into 12 into 12. So that is, you are just going to write it 12 once. And for cube root of 8, that is going to be 2. So because 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 8. So that will be 12 into 2. That is going to be 24. Again for this one, you can take it together, because here it was a perfect cube, so I had taken it separately. So here we can also take together, and later on what we can do for this one, 250, I can write here for this one 125 into 2, because why did I write this 125? So 125 means 5 into 5 into 5, so cube root of this 120, this will be, that is going to be just 5. So you can take the factors, and you can also accordingly you can adjust the numbers. For this one, that will be 7 into 4, and for this one 7 into 7. So here again, why did I not take 2 into 14? So because here was 7, and here also is 7. So now see here, later step you can see. So 7 into 7 into 7, I can take it together, and this one, for this one will be 4 into 2, that is going to be 8. So here, if I separate this one, cube root of 125, that will be 5 into 5 into 5, that is going to be 5. This is already cube root of this one, so that is going to be 7. And this is cube root of 8, so that will be cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, so that will be 2. So this will be 70. Now this minus is as it is, cube root of this 216 into 729. So cube root of 216 is 6, and cube root of 729, that will be 9 into 9 into 9, that will be 9. So that is going to be minus 54. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.